This video is a basic example of Willow, showing operations with Python lists and tuples. To use Willow, you just have to paste your code in the editor, and then click play. Once the program starts, you can use the left and right arrows of the keyboard to navigate through the code. The larger panel shows the allocated objects. They can be moved around by dragging. It's also possible to move and zoom the panel itself. The smaller panel shows the scopes and variables. We can see objects references by looking at the arrows and names on them. Going on, we have the concatenation operations. We can change the way objects are rendered to a context menu. Now it's easier to read the properties. Following, we have some indexing and slicing operations. Note that although strings and numbers are Python objects, they are placed in the stack directly. It would be too messy to have many of them floating around. Now, on multiple operations, every time a property is changed, it's highlighted in yellow, making it easier to see modifications. Tuples cannot be mutated, raising an exception. When exceptions happen, red highlights are shown in the code and stack. Some extra operations of insertion and deletion are executed, showing effects of mutations in the list. Try to follow these operations looking at the visualization. Now we have a call to the sorted function, which creates a new list with ordered values. Another example of mutability is the use of the list.sort function, which rather than creating a new list, sorts the current one in place. Now the program is finished. We can see yellow highlights, meaning the current scope is returning, and that the program reached the last step.